to get on my phone there, will you?
Where's your phone?
Just behind you. Lauren! How are you? Where are you going? Are you going off to the zoo?
Lauren!
She thinks she's Martin Peacock's cousin. Where is she? Oh, what is it?
Poor child. She looks like a
Jimmy,
white
don't
dog.
you want to be in this video
No.
dressed the way you're dressed?
You're in it now anyway.
What? Hey, Lauren. What are you wearing? That's a funny outfit for a Wednesday morning.